Hey filmmaker, Chung Dha here. In this video I want to talk about recharging your gear while traveling. So most of the time when you are actually on a plane, on a train, on a bus, in a car, it's one of the best times to actually recharge your gear. However, most of the time you would not have like a USB port or anything to recharge your gear with. However, you can actually buy like a power bank nowadays. This is a Xiaomi Mi Powerbank, and this has like a cable that I really like. This is a USB Type-C and also a USB micro connection. So you can actually connect it with quite a lot of gear nowadays. Recharging your action cams, phones, drones, gimbals, mirrorless cameras, and also recharge the batteries of your DSLR. However, there isn't an option of plugging in a power bank into your DSLR like most other cameras nowadays. But nowadays we have rechargers that can be connected to a power bank, and this one is now recharging the battery of the Canon 5D. Plus, this recharger is super compact and much smaller than the standard one you get with your camera. So personally, I really recommend purchasing these kinds of rechargers when you are traveling, and actually just have another extra recharger with you so you can actually overnight charge multiple batteries instead of just one. Plus also these can be recharged while you're traveling with a power bank. So that was mainly it. If you are really interested in these rechargers for your DSLR and or other kind of mirrorless cameras, you can find links in the description below. I hope you guys find this video quite educational, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button here below, and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.